Today we're going to be doing a little cooking, and also we're going to be talking a little bit about our 1K subscriber giveaway. So that's coming up next. Alright, we are going to be doing a 1K subscriber giveaway. It's been long overdue, I apologize. But we've been hanging around 1,050, 1,060 some subscribers. So we're going to get this done here. I'm going to give away two prizes. The main prize is going to be this Ozark Trail 4-in-1 stove kit. That way you guys can come out here and do this cooking like I do. Along with that stove kit, I'm going to be giving away a Mountain House meal. That'll be with it. And a few other goodies I'm going to throw in the box. A Frenzel lens and some channel stickers and some other little odds and ends. The second place prize, it's not going to contain the stove, but it's going to be a Mountain House meal and a few of the little odd and end goodies and stuff. So I hope everyone likes it. What we're going to do here for the drawing is you're going to comment on this video. I'd like you to be a subscriber, and either before your just comment like you normally do, and either before or at the end of your comment, all I want you to do is just put in pick me, pick me. That's all you got to do. You can put that in parentheses or however you want to do it, but just put the words pick me in there. Now, I'm going to let this run about 2 weeks. There's not going to be no set time. Just whenever I decide to end it, that's what I'm going to do. And I'll go through the comments, and whoever put the pick me in there, I'm going to write your names down, and I'll have a follow-up video. It'll be out here in the woods like I normally am, and I'll put all the names in a can or a hat, and we're just going to draw two names out. Just going to be really old-fashioned, no computers involved, and that's how I'm going to do the drawing here. Once I do the follow-up video on the winners here, then you'll have a week to get in touch with me. My email is in my About section on my channel page here. And all you got to do is contact me by email and give me your mailing address. And I'll be sure to get these things shipped out to you. Now, if the winners do not contact me within a week or so, you will forfeit your prize. And the first place prize will go to the runner-up, and then I'll draw another name for the second place. And I might just put a quick short video out on that and announce that winner. So that's how we're going to run things here. I hope you all like the gifts that I'm going to be including in. I'm not going to name them all off, but there'll be some nice goodies in there along with the main prizes. Like I said, they're going to be the Ozark Trail 4-in-1 stove kit. There's going to be a Mountain House meal in each one, a Frenzel lens, and I got some other goodies. Some fat wood, and I guess you'll have to wait and see. All right, here's my lunch today. I'll be cooking up. Just got a little piece of chicken there, jalapeno, red potato, and some carrots. And I'm going to be cooking that up on the stove just like the one I'm going to be giving away. The Ozark Trail. Got our GSI products out here today with us. And we're going to get cooking here. I like leaving the seeds in these. Just gives it some added heat, I believe. All right, there we are. All right, we got the GSI tongs here. Oh yeah, that's looking good. And I add these veggies here. All right, there's a skillet full of goodness. You know, everything's coming together real nice here. And jalapenos, they always get me. I'm up here on this rock. I don't quite trust myself leaning back on this chair. I might do a backwards flip off of here. Gotta lean back real easy. Beautiful day here. We finally did get some rain here the past few weeks. I told you guys we were kind of in the start of a drought. But we did get a couple days of good rain, so I think that's going to help us out a lot. What are you doing here? Old Sasquatch showed up. All right, I got some water on here for my coffee. I'm gonna get that done. A little bit hot there, wow. All right. Okay, I think we're all ready here. Nice piece of chicken there. There we are. That looks mighty good. I even brought along some of my Kinder's roasted garlic barbecue sauce. You guys probably get sick of hearing me say that. I tell you what, if you've never tried it, you're missing out. It is delicious. right. You can't beat home cooking out in the woods. That is delicious. Okay, I'm going to enjoy my meal here. Good luck to everyone in the drawing. And I'll probably let this run a week or two and then I'll end it. And I'll check the comments. And then probably within 3 weeks I'll make another video and we'll draw the winners. Alright, thanks for coming along on this trip. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks. Catch you later.